Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. How to make online money. So make sure to watch the full video. A dream come true would be to launch an online side business and open up various revenue streams. Consider being able to travel anywhere you choose, spend more time with friends and family, and do it all while earning more money. Which is best? To get started, you don't have to be an expert. There are many methods to start earning additional money online, even if you're just starting out. Here are several beginner-friendly methods for making money online, regardless of your prior knowledge or experience. You're good to go as long as you have access to the internet. 1. Engage in market analysis. Consumers who are willing to test websites and digital products and give feedback on their newest features are continually sought after by businesses. The good news is that you don't need to be an expert user of a product or service to participate in market research. In fact, companies frequently look for people who are unfamiliar with their product to gather their early impressions. A video game business, for instance, might pay a novice gamer to evaluate how user-friendly the game is for players of various skill levels. 2. Work as a tutor online. Tell them what you know. Everyone has a subject they are competent with, whether it is Spanish conjunctions, classic literature, or trigonometry. The finest thing is that you may assist the individual you are teaching by being one step ahead of them. As a result, there are numerous websites that allow individuals from all over the world to sell their knowledge to students. Additionally, since most classes are conducted by video chat, or simply text chat, you can work remotely from any location. 3. Market your clothing and other items. Who doesn't have a shirt in the back of their wardrobe that has never been worn? One common strategy to get additional money each month and declutter your home at the same time is to sell your unwanted clothes and other goods. You may upload your clothing, accessories, and other products to a personal storefront on mobile apps like Poshmark, Etsy, and Craigslist and sell them to customers worldwide. Though it isn't only restricted to apparel, think about selling furniture, trinkets, and ornaments on eBay or regional selling platforms. 4. Join the affiliate program for your preferred brands. When a member of their network purchases a product by clicking on a special link provided by a brand affiliates are paid a commission. A lot of companies have affiliate marketing programs that you can join, obtain your link from, and share with your friends and family. The nicest aspect is that you can get paid for endorsing goods you would suggest anyhow. 5. Launch a dropshipping enterprise. You can sell goods online through dropshipping if you don't want to handle order fulfillment or shipment. A third-party manufacturer or supplier is informed when a consumer makes a purchase through your store, and they subsequently send the product straight to the customer. Building a small business using this e-commerce strategy may be beneficial. The potential for substantial financial gain and passive income exists, but getting started can provide a minor learning curve if you are unfamiliar with the process of establishing your own website or online store. 6. Transcribing audio files. Due to the increased popularity of video and audio content, transcription services are still in high demand. Simply put, transcription is the process of putting a podcast, YouTube video, or audio recording into a text document after listening to it. You can frequently find part-time internet jobs as a transcriber for businesses in many industries in addition to signing up for gig sites like Upwork and Fiverr that market transcription possibilities. They occasionally permit remote employment, so you can make money while at home. Although transcribers can earn pretty well, up to $25 per hour occasionally, it helps if you're a quick typist who is well versed in the grammar and punctuation of the language you're copying. 7. Lease out your items. We're talking about stuff like lawnmowers, kitchenware, vehicles, and even specific rooms in your home here. Sometimes individuals just want access to a product for a predetermined amount of time. These kinds of things can be rented from the owner by using websites like Friendwitha. Why not list it for hire if you have a lot of items that aren't always in use or that people could be interested in renting out? By doing this, you can make some extra cash off of stuff that might otherwise be sitting around in your garage, cabinet, or storage unit. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe.